Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to Ikea. So I got all dressed up and I did my hair and my makeup just so we can go to Ikea. So you're going to go to Ikea with me. So today is just a little trip to Ikea. Currently on the highway, it's about 20 to 30 minutes if there isn't traffic from my home. I did a click and collect for some items that I'm looking for. I'm in the process of doing my linen closet, my master bedroom closet, and the cabinets of my bathroom. And I love Ikea for little projects like this. They're really inexpensive and they keep it really classy. So like whites and grays, they do a really good job at that, and it just works. So lately I've been into really, like I would say for the last couple of years, really clean, crisp lines and keeping everything like very neutral. So my home is mostly blue grays in terms of that palette. So I did a click and collect. A lot of the things that I wanted have been out of stock. So I've been over a couple of months buying up these things little by little in order to do these projects. Again, even though Ikea is inexpensive, sometimes when you're doing these projects, you know, every bit kind of adds up, and next thing you know, you're at like $300, $400, $500, $600, and you're like, how did that happen? But because a lot of the things have been sold out as well, I am trying to get what I need, and then if I don't use something, I can always return it. The Ikea return policy is amazing. It's, I think, 365 days. Like, who does that? Of course, I'm gonna buy from you if your return policy is 365 days. So I've gotten a couple of things in order to start these projects, and that's gonna be coming up on my channel very, very soon. So stay tuned for that to come. I might go inside. I love to see the new setups that they've done and kind of give you new ideas on things that you can use, things that you never thought about before. I love an Ikea hack, especially when you are looking at something like a magazine holder and they put it in a completely different space than you even thought about. So I love that. So we are going to see what we can find at Ikea and also pick up the stuff that I have already purchased. So stick around and let's go shopping. We are here. Entrance over here. I just got here and it seems like this is a pretty cool process. So I've never done the click and collect before. So you go to a certain area and then you pick a spot and you send a text message, and I'll show you what the sign looks like. It's pretty cool. I think they may be taking it a step further because of COVID, but I like that it's just like picking up my online groceries. I can just sit in my car and wait, which is awesome. So here's what the sign looks like. It gives you a number to call. It tells you to stay in your car and wait for your order. So I just texted the number. It asked me for my order number and the name on the order. Someone responded right away and said that my order is coming out. So this is pretty easy, pretty simple, and I love this. Technology is great. So I'm just waiting for my order to come now. So someone just came out and checked my ID and got my stuff out. I'm gonna pack them in the car, and then we're gonna maybe go inside and see what else there is. This is what the little showcase in Ikea looks like. I love, this is why I come in here sometimes, just to see what they've done with the space. It's really cute. Just standing in one of those areas. It's really cool. Let's see what else we see. So this is the section that I like, all the organization stuff. These are the bins that I'm talking about, that I got a ton of them. They have lids and all that. I hope you guys can hear me because I have my mask on. Okay guys, I'm just leaving Ikea. As you can see, I went in to look and instead my cart is filled with stuff. That's the thing about coming to Ikea. I got some flowers, some real ones and some fake ones as well. They were really good deals. So here's the stuff that I have. So many people in there, like honestly, I can't even imagine. Like, anyway, I don't think Ikea is ever not busy. I did have some stuff to return and that was fairly easy, so that was good. Again, the thing I love about Ikea is you can get the stuff and then if you don't need it, you can return it. There's 365 days to return it, so that makes it so much easier. And I'd rather have something than when I need it, I start an organizational project, then I don't have it and I have to run here. That doesn't work because it is 30 to 40 minutes depending on traffic. So I'd rather have more and then return what I don't use than have less. So we're gonna head home. I'm starving and that's it. So I just got back from Ikea and I wanted to show you real quickly how easy it is to incorporate some of these things into your space. So I got these, I got 3 of them. I got a lot of flowers also. That's really good with Ikea. It was one of the reasons I went inside, because they will have real plants inside that you can really get really good deals on. This was one. This is a 10-inch pot and it's $3.99. And I got 3 of these. And I'm actually gonna put them in my bathroom because I have way more lighting there. This area here, even though there is a window here, it doesn't get as much lighting, and I don't want to have to forget about watering them, so I'm not going to do that here. But I'm going to show you real quickly what I'm going to do with the space behind me. So just in terms of updating my bathroom, so I got a couple of things from Ikea. So this is something that is actually used for a kitchen, but I'm going to be repurposing it and using it as an Ikea hack, and I'll show you what it comes out looking like when I'm done. It's going to be going in this corner of my bathroom. So my toilet is here, and this is the shelving area that I'm going to try to create. And I'm going to be hanging some real plants in that area just to bring some greenery into the space. The other thing is I got this frame as well that I put some writing in, and I'm going to be putting on that space. So I can't wait to show you what it's going to be looking like when it's done. So that's the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. This was my first vlog. I hope it showed you just how simple you can do with your space. I can't wait to show you all the other stuff that I got at Ikea and show you how I'm going to use them to brighten up my space. I really like Ikea. Their functionality, they're inexpensive, and they really keep your space really looking clean. And I think there's something for everyone. If you're new to my channel, I'm so happy you stopped by. I hope you stick around. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when I post new content. If you're a returning subscriber, I am so happy you've decided to stay with me. I appreciate your support, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought, and I'll see you again next time.